Swapping out a window regulator should be quick, but when you have to move over an old motor, that's where things slow down. That's why TrakMotive regulators come with the window motor pre-installed, tensioned, aligned, and ready to plug in. No transfer process, no guesswork, and no chance of damaging the motor during install. Just plug it in and move on. The motor's already torqued and tested at the factory, so the whole unit is ready to go right out of the box. For flat rate techs and high volume shops, every minute counts. A pre-installed motor saves time, reduces hassle, and helps turn jobs faster. For WDs, it's an easy upsell. Instead of a regulator-only part with more work attached, you're offering a complete plug-and-play solution. Less time in the bay, fewer returns, one less step. That's the kind of part that shops come back for.